Okay, well, we're freeze branding today. Clipping the hair.
Come on.
Let's see if we can tighten that pipe up behind her. One more if we can. Just wedge it in there.
The 212? 212.
212.
Yeah.
What's in that cooler?
The two's right there already.
What is in there?
Dry ice and denatured alcohol.
And what are those irons made of?
Grass. Okay,
How long are you going to hold that on there?
55 seconds.
For each one?
Quit moving.
Don't do it wrong. It's like having a bad tattoo.
I don't want to smear two. We need to add like 3 seconds.
Okay. Now is this going to last forever?
This is forever.
Okay, so we're going to put the freeze brand on, and then what's going to happen next?
30 days the hair will fall out and the new white hair will start to regrow.
And will it make a scab and all that?
Yeah, a little bit. But then the hair will grow back and it'll be white.
So it doesn't kill the hair follicle, it just kills the pigmentation in the...
Yes. She can't lose the ear tag off her shoulder now.
Right. So that'll stay there for her whole life?
Yes.
That's time. +2.
212.
Yes. Yeah, don't put the wrong number on. That would
Okay,
suck.
ready? Yep. Go.
How do you pick the number?
This is the year she was born.
Oh, don't touch her. She don't like
12.
it. Number 12 of 2002? Or not 2002.
Or not.
Gosh, I'm 20 years off.
22.
2022.
Yes.
All right.
This is the year 22. Her number is 12.
So how do you know if she was born in 2012 or 2022?
You'll be able to tell.
How could you tell?
You can tell a 10-year-old cow from a yearling.
Okay.
Or even a younger cow.
Well, a younger cow will still have her teeth. She'll have her baby teeth.
We're gonna add anytime.
Like 4 seconds.
How many are you going to do?
Did you spray her with alcohol?
Yeah.
We need to get her a little wetter.
Before you put the 2 on? All right. And how many animals are you going to do?
22?
21.
21?
Plus, extra second.
She wants to eat that.
8. The 2.
Trying to figure out which 2 I used.
Okay. You know.
Hey, how come you're branding this one on the wrong side?
It's not mine.
Whose is it?
It's Uncle Jeremy's.
Is it Pennies from Heaven or
It's an Uncle Jeremy cow.
is it Uncle Jeremy cow?
It belongs to the ranch,
Is it Uncle Jeremy cow?
baby.
What number is she? Better add 4.
You're at 35 seconds. What, 55?
So you're doing all the ranch cattle, or what are you doing here?
Just the heifers.
Just the heifers? So,
Replacement heifers.
so theoretically, at some point they'll all be.
All the
Numbered?
every replacement heifer that we keep gets a freeze brand.
So that she doesn't lose her
Time up.
tag, huh?
Go.
When you take that brand off, will it be frozen?
Yes. Oh, come on. You're going to get a nasty 3 here.
Nobody wants to be the nasty
It's gonna be a 3, 2, 3, three-dimensional 3.
Helps her travel to a third dimension.
When I'm done with this, you can tap the number and it'll be frozen.
All right, we'll check it out. So the number will be there for a few minutes, and then it'll fade to nothing. And then tomorrow it'll have a slight swelling. In about a week, it has a scab, you could say?
Yeah.
Week.
Where are we at on time?
57, 58, 59, 60.
You're done.
1,
You're done.
63.
Oh yeah, it's frozen. That's crazy.
Need to eat through that. That is the 0. Go.
Frosty.
Wet.
Looks a little frosty. What is that, like bajillion degrees below
I
zero?
think they said it's 192 below 0.
So like winter Chesterfield weather?
Yeah, almost.
And those will last forever?
Yeah.
You don't have to do this every year, right?
No.
Can we put one on you just to see what would happen?
No. 35 seconds.
Why not?
We'll put one on your hind cheek and see how you like
Well,
it.
I don't want one, but I thought maybe you would take one for the team.
Okay.
No such luck, huh? All right. Well, don't say I didn't offer. I'll hold the iron.
52, 53, 54, 55.
You done yet?
Almost.
What are you doing now?
Don't you
still
dare get that
freestanding.
in the stuff.
Is this the last one?
No.
Are you gonna do that milk cow?
No.
Why not?
She don't need it. We know who she is.
She's very mysterious looking. She looks like a sneaky neighbor cow.
How are we?
How will you recognize her without a face brand? Holly? Holly? Are you just coming through the ride? She gets stripier every time I see her.
Okay. Move. 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 Move.
Forward.
Okay, she ready to fly?
Give her a shot.
Here.
Did you give her a shot?
I did not.
Look out, Ashlyn. What are we doing here? Freeze branding.
Did you warm her?
Yes. Freeze branding numbers.
Okay, she's ready to fly?
All right, well, she's ready to go. Bye-bye. What do you say, Ashlyn?
I can subscribe.
Like and subscribe. Tomorrow's what?
You want to just...
What are we doing tomorrow? Oh, I'm going to work.
Tomorrow, I'll probably breed some cows.
Breed some cows. There we go.
We're
AI.
just going to worm her real quick.
Artificial inseminate some cows.